I challenged myself to do 100 push-ups every day for 30 days straight. No excuses, no gym, just raw determination. Here's what happened. Double quotes. Visible physical changes, mental and physical struggles. Day 1 will humble you. I thought I was fit until push-up 27 hit like a truck. Muscle endurance was lower than expected. Form fell apart quickly. Shoulders and chest burned. Thoroughly realized I needed pacing, not ego. Your core gets hit more than you think. Push-ups are not just for your chest. ABS engage with every rep. Lower back tightens. If core is weak, great for posture correction. Reinforces plank strength. Results show up faster than you expect. By day 10, my shirt sleeves got tighter. Chest looked fuller, shoulders more defined, arms visibly more vascular. Push-up count improved. Your mind will try to quit daily. The hardest muscle to train, your brain. Motivation dips on cold mornings. Distractions multiply. Self-doubt creeps. Indiscipline wins, not motivation. Consistency beats intensity. It's better to do 100 slow push-ups than 30 intense. Then quit. Don't rush. Quality over quantity. Splitting into sets works. For example, for by 25, even bad days count. Streak matters more than perfection. For is everything cheating. Reps only cheats your progress. Elbows should track 45 from body. Engage glutes for full body tension. Avoid sagging hips. Slow reps burn more, build more. Joint soreness is real. Recovery is key. If your wrists scream, you're not alone. Use padded surface mat or towel. Wrist mobility drills help. Rest elbows by switching hand angles. Hydration plus sleep equals faster recovery. Your push-up style evolves from wide grip to diamond. I experimented a lot. Target different muscles. Triceps, chest, shoulders. Great for boredom prevention. Builds balance. Strength keeps body guessing. Progress isn't always linear. Hook. Some days I felt superhuman, others useless. Energy varies. I sleep and food fatigue builds over time. Results compound slowly. Photos show more than the mirror. Food matters more than you think. You can't push up a bad diet. Protein helped recovery. Eggs, chicken, lentils cut down on sugar equals less inflammation. Staying hydrated. Spet muscle repair. Eating whole foods boosted energy. Every country has a fitness hack. No gym, no problem. Every city gave me tools. USA, home garage workouts. Meal prepping. UK, rainy day living room training. Canada, push-ups by the fireplace during winter. Germany, 5 a.m. workouts with Ritos post-session. Australia, beachside morning push-ups. New Zealand, hiking plus bodyweight combo days. Nordics, post-push-up sauna recovery. Stronger mental health foundation for new fitness habits. Are you starting your own 30-day challenge? Let me know below. Like and subscribe for more realistic fitness, mindset, and bodyweight tips. Share. Know someone who keeps talking about change? Send this.